आमी प्राचीत काळांत आसा आनी प्राचीत काळ सुरू जाता शिंजेच्या बुधवाराक. ह्या वर्साक आमचे फिरगोजेन आमच्या भावां भयणांक हे 40 दिसांची प्राचीत काळाचो पवित्र वेळ मागण्यांन दोणवण करून आनीक दानां दिवन गरिबांक सारूंक उत्तेजन आनी उमेद हाडूंक इन्स्पिरेशन दिवपाक आमी हो जेजूचो स्टॅच्यू हांगा दवरला. जेजू मागणें करता. जेजू हे 40 दीस मागणें करता. त्या पासत हांव म्हजे परजेक आपयतां. कॅन यू जॉयन जीजस? जेजू बरोबर तूं दिमी घाल. जेजू बरोबर तूं उपास कर. जेजू बरोबर तूं दुसऱ्यांक आदार कर. This image for 40 days is kept in the church to invite our people to join Jesus, because these 40 days are part of the life of Jesus. The whole life of Jesus is lived by us in the Catholic Church for the whole year. So what we do is we celebrate his birth, we celebrate his ministry, and we celebrate his death and resurrection. And so the whole liturgical year, like Advent to prepare for his birth, now we have Lent to prepare for the Easter, and therefore we find Jesus with us 365 days. And every Sunday, this Paschal mystery of Jesus, we live at Mass. Every Mass is actually the whole life of Jesus celebrated on the altar, and therefore we slowly celebrate it in the whole year. Today, I wanted to tell, for 40 days, Jesus prayed, and we also do this prayer. 40 days he fasted. We also want to fast. Jesus did so many good things to others. We also want to do that. That is the reason I invite you to join Jesus. Join Jesus. Jesus will join you too when you hold your hands and pray. Join Jesus in fasting, and Jesus is with you in this journey of 40 days of fasting. Join Jesus in making great sacrifices, even small sacrifices, and helping the poor. Jesus will be with you. I pray that this Lent becomes a time of being holy, more than that, a time of being with Jesus and journeying and walking with Jesus and with our Christian brothers and sisters with whom we live. Let's all be with Jesus and walk with him. Thank you.